done a layup in your life?
No, no. I do remember we had an exercise. We had to do a layup. Like literally nakapila ka.
It's supposed to be,
tried.
and that's supposed to be the easiest
Because I'm like,
way to score.
either make me dribble to the hoop, which I can.
Very point guard na mag-set up ng point na you're gonna dribble to the hoop and then you're gonna pass
Pass
the
it
ball.
up. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. I
Ayaw
can
mo
dribble.
supposed to like, just the ball is supposed to gracefully roll off your
Let's say that.
fingertips. You know what I mean? It has to be like a fluid.
Jumping up and sits up for health reasons. Forbidden because pinagbawal kasi.
But then, alam mo yung mga ganong, when you think about it, yung mga,
Medyo 2% na lang yung artery mo yun. Medyo cold turkey tayo.
I guess.
Go half. That would amount to a lot. Like for instance, ano nga niya, parang kunyari you're eating a burger. Take out the half of the bun. Hindi mga hindi kaya na mag-change.
I know some people who would rather not. Kumbaga, they want to enjoy it fully or they just don't.
Rethink the eating only mention.
Yeah, very ano din siya.
Kasi I
Depende sa
get it.
personality.
Oh, I mean, you just have to, don't give it to me little by little. Either give it to me 30%. You know what I mean?
I'm
Like,
gradual.
then I'm feeling ko, you could still negotiate. So 30, by the street na naka-leather mini, fishnet stockings, at red stilettos, na kumikindat sa lahat ng kotse.
Parang
Depende.
Here you go.
Right. And one last, my forbidden love story. Yung wala kang mahanap na forbidden stuff, mga pinagbabawal sa kanila. Mga
Dito lang po yan sa 102.7 ang ating dagdag kalabang ngayon pong Tuesday na morning. At pagdagdag mausog nila kaya manatili nakatutok Star Nation. Narito na ang ating kaganalan 2025. Atras po tayo at alamin po natin mga balita nangyari sa mga panahon ng iba't ibang taon ng ika-11 ng Pebrero taong 2019. Sa kwentsa ito, Star Nation, sa makabilang buhay ang aktres, makakawit at isa sa mga itinuturing na Institute Classification Board mula June 1998 hanggang January 1. Sa kinikilalang bilang Giants of Tagalog and Filipinos ayon ngayon, yan po ating kaganapan sa kwentsa. Balik-tugtugan tayo, Star Nation, dito pa rin po. 102.7.
organized. Ayos na ang gamit mo. Safe Instagram pa with Safe Deluxe. May powder reset na. Ang kapal pa ng plastic.
Berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, naamoy kulob.
Manufactured by ACS.
Dahil may init sensation na nanunood in as fast as 30 seconds para sa gaan ng pakiramdam na magaan sa bulsa. Kaya para sa mga ina,